Who needs Chinese takeout when you could do cashew chicken just like this at home? Let's get to it.
Let's go!
Hello OFT family. On tonight's Quick and Easy, we are doing cashew chicken. Who needs takeout? You can do it at home. So in this bag, I have 2 pounds of diced chicken breast with 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So I just kind of swish that all around, and then we are going to pop this in my hot pan here with a little bit of avocado oil. We're going to cook off this chicken until it gets, it'll turn a little bit crispy. Not a whole lot, but it'll turn a little bit crispy. And then once this is done, I will show you what kind of sauce we got. Be back in a minute. Okay, so we are back. Our chicken is done. Now we get to mix the sauce. So we have 1/2 cup of chicken broth. We have 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We have a tablespoon of hoisin. A tablespoon of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of sesame oil, and we have 3 tablespoons of minced fresh garlic. We're going to mix that up and add that to our chicken. And it's going to get a little bit thick because of that cornstarch that was on the chicken. And then we're going to let that cook for just a few minutes, and then we'll serve it up. Oh, and add your cashews.
In the pan.
In the pan. All right, our Chinese takeout cashew chicken is done. So we've got jasmine rice, we've got steamed broccoli, and the star of the show, cashew chicken. So let's put some more rice in my bowl here, folks. So it smells really, really good. When you have that. Can you see all the seeds there? Alright, let's give her a taste. This took about 20 minutes to make. Put my face up. It's so good. You can taste the soy sauce. It's a little bit salty. It's garlicky. A little bit of sweetness from the brown sugar and the hoisin and the cashew.
And nuts.
This is a great, quick and easy. Add it to your menu. Make this for your family. It's delicious. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family. Bye for now.